Orobochoro ni gongo kumenya ewodi yekerenyo yebwata bakichikura chiribu 14 chimibere emerongo 52 na batatu nebituo emerongo 29 asomo returning officer Wesley Ruto ayanekirebuna Amaariganio onsi abereka goikirana gochia ase ebituo byonsi ase wodi ya Nyamira inse yo returning officer Chepkurui Catherine eyo ebwate ebituo emerongo 3 na bakichikura chiribu 15 chiminye emerongo 3 no yomo oigo nigo bayanekirie kweroberia abwikyo ase wadi ya Nyansiongo niyebwate ebituo emerongo 29 asaba kichikura bale chiribu 15 n'emerongo 5 asikolendo mu returning officer Kennedy Opanga aralirie koba tayari mulikito Steven Nyarikiembunde na Amange.
Amaariganio y'obochori Oboke ase chiwodi cha Nyansiongo Kerenyo na Nyamira nigo aikiraniwe korengana returning officer bechiwodi bene aberere ngachikura nigo chirachigo chakawa kwa chinsa 12 chiemambia ya Aramisi ase wodi ya Nyamira inse yo returning officer Chepkurui Catherine erachigo tware bitu emerongo 3 asaba kichikura wetania heribu 16 barachiwa kachikura nigo kiregento gyatingiwe kuri OBORENDI aboigo ebinto byo wakachikura birwase bituo bene.
I'm Chepkurui Catherine, the returning officer for West Mugirango constituency. I am conducting the by-election for Nyamira ward. Since yesterday, we were busy packaging the materials, the election materials in readiness for tomorrow's poll. And we already distributed to each polling of the 30 polling stations that are in the ward. All the POs have checked their materials to ensure that they have all that they need for the elections. So we are set for tomorrow's by-election. And we are very hopeful and very confident that all will go well.
My name is Florence Obunga. I'm the Deputy County Commissioner, Nyamira South. I want to say that as the Sub-County Security Committee, we are set for the Nyamira by-elections on the 27th of November 2025. I want to inform Nyamira ward residents that we have already deployed adequate security to cover the elections. In terms of deployment, every polling station has been given to security officers. We have also been able to secure the tallying center where we will converge for purposes of the final declaration of votes. I also want to appeal to our candidates that we would not wish to see a crowd at the polling center. We will only allow those who have been accredited by the IEBC at the tallying center.
Ase wodi ye Kerenyo imeya North Mogrango iyo ebwate bituo emerongo 29 nse yo returning officer Wesley Ruto nigene kirina abakichikura wetane chiribu 14 nigo barachigwa kachikura cyabo ase OBORENDI boigo bwabekire bose nagotingiwa.
Name is Ruto Wesley. I'm the returning officer for Kerenyo County Assembly Ward by-elections. I wish to confirm that for purposes of conducting the elections tomorrow, all preparations are ready. We are ready to deploy our officers to the field beginning today in a matter of hours to come. We've received all the necessary materials up to and including the ballot papers, which we are going to break the ballot in a few minutes. I have the candidates at the tallying center who have also come ready to witness the exercise. As a ward, we have 29 polling stations with a registered voter population of about 14,000.
ase wodi ya Nyansiongo imeyaborabu inse y'Omoriturning Officer Kennedy Opanga nigarere bituwe 29 nigo birakigotumeka so wakichikura asaba kichikura wetania kirwi 15 na mobo igo barakiwake kura nigo bareire boigo borendi gotingiwa na kiregento ko batiyari
that once you have voted, please go back home. Would not wish to see people idling around the polling stations. So once you have voted, please go back home and engage in your normal business. Otherwise, we are appealing for calm tomorrow, 27th, and we want to urge everybody, all the residents of Nyamira, to uphold peace and ensure that we have peaceful by-elections.
Steven Nyarikembona, Soko TV, County ya Nyamira.